I'm Ruth Ann Davis here at AHR 2017 in Las Vegas with HVAC Brain. We're talking about our Williams equipment, gas space heating. This unit is our Forsaire Counterflow. It's available in both top vent and direct vent applications, so it can go on an exterior wall as well as an interior wall. It has knockouts on the back and the sides, so you can heat up to 3 rooms with this piece of equipment. Very heavy construction, which makes it quiet operation, easy to install. If you have a current unit, it's easy to take it out because the footprint or the space is exactly the same. A nice white finish, heavy gauge construction, and these units are available in natural, propane, and electric.